Dylan, who's in for Al again this morning with a closer look at that forecast. Hi.
Yeah, let's get into it. Good morning, guys. We do have still some residual rain up across New England, where we had a lot of rain yesterday. You could see a lot of the really heavy stuff, though, has moved out over the water. But let's go back through areas in Virginia with this red box here. That's a flash flood warning. Again, think of how much rain we saw yesterday. The ground is like a sponge. It's totally overloaded, so any additional rainfall kind of overflows, and that's why we end up with the flooding. So we have flood watches still in effect down through Virginia. Also some flood watches through southeastern Massachusetts, where we had a lot of rain yesterday. Most of the heavy rain will now push farther to the south across Virginia into North Carolina, into Delaware. We'll still see some residual showers across New England, but the heaviest of that rain, the torrential downpours, are expected a little farther south as this frontal system continues to travel to the south. Now, it doesn't look like much on this map here, but if you get some of those heavier downpours, you could see rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Again, on top of saturated ground, that leads to the flooding potential. The roadways fill up quickly, so if you're driving, you could run into some issues. This light blue area that includes parts of Pennsylvania right down into Virginia and North Carolina is where we have our best chance of seeing that potential flooding, with up to about 3, maybe even 4 or 5 inches of rain possible in some areas. So another rainy day for the East Coast.
Okay, Dylan, thank you.
We turn to another check of the forecast.
Well, we're trying to dry things out in the Northeast. In New York City, I think we're done with the heavier rain, maybe just some spotty showers. New England, too, but the heavy rain now pushes down into Virginia and the Carolinas. It's hot and humid in the southeast with some spotty showers and storms. Some isolated storms across the northern plains, and that fire risk continues with the heat up into the triple digits out in the southwest. That's a look at the weather across the country. We'll get to your local forecast in the next 30 seconds.
The weather, Dylan in for Al.
Good morning again, guys. You know, we're getting a break from the heat in the Northeast, the clouds, the rain kind of helps with that, 60s and 70s. But you go farther into the Southeast, that's where the heat continues. Heat advisory still in effect for about 9 million people. It's hot. It's humid. It feels like it's up into the triple digits. Raleigh will feel like 103 today. Very steamy. And Charleston feels like 108. Nashville feels like 94. Little Rock, 98 degrees is your feels like temperature. So this is what you need to prepare for. Drink lots of water. Stay inside during the hottest part of the day. Check on your neighbors. Keep your pets in mind, too, because this heat, it's just hard to cool down your body temperature. And then that overheating becomes the biggest concern. So from Amarillo through Little Rock through Charlotte, temperatures staying well up into the 90s. Your feels like temperatures above 100 degrees. So that's going to be the trend all week. We also have spotty showers and storms. When it's hot and humid like this, you get those torrential, tropical-like downpours. Round of severe storms possible across the northern plains. Out west, it is hot and very dry, so that fire risk continues too. That's a look at the weather across the country. Now here's a
Morning with a look at where it all goes from here. Hey, Dylan.
Hey, guys. Well, you hope it goes down the drain, because this rain needs to go away, because every time we get more rain, it just causes the flooding because the ground is totally saturated. We have more rain falling across New England, even some flood watches down through the southeast of Massachusetts and New England, where we will see additional rainfall today. But the front itself is going to continue to push to the south, so things will dry out and improve in the New York City area. But now the heavier rain is going to move down into Virginia and into North Carolina, and it is so humid down there, which means the air can hold a lot of moisture. So you get these downpours, and they could produce 1 to 2 inches of rain in a very short period of time. So when that water can't go anywhere in a very short period of time, it leads to the flooding. So if you are driving anywhere today, keep that in mind. When you get stuck in these heavier downpours, the roadways can fill up with water pretty quickly. This slight risk in light blue here from Pennsylvania right down into northeastern North Carolina, that's where we have a slight risk of seeing that flooding potential, with an additional 2 to 3, 4 inches of rain possible, but today mainly down through Virginia and into North Carolina. So that's the area we'll be focusing on today.
All right, Dylan, thank you.
The U.S. men's...
So which security line do I go in?
I know. Nobody knows.
Still confused. Yeah, nobody knows. It is hot in the southwest. We've got heat alerts for so many people, 19 million people under heat advisories or heat warnings, including the Grand Canyon, including L.A., Palm Springs. You stretch it over into Phoenix, Tucson, where we're seeing just extreme heat. Temperatures well up into the triple digits. Dangerous heat, so limit your time outdoors during the hottest part of the day. Las Vegas is 108. Going to Palm Springs, it's 112. Matching that in Yuma, Sedona, 101 degrees. And this is about 5 to 10 degrees above average, so warmer than you would expect this time of year. Palm Springs, Yuma, Phoenix, all around 113 to 114 degrees tomorrow. And the triple digits stick around throughout the rest of the week into the start of the weekend. Palm Springs drops to 109 on Saturday. That's, I guess, some relief. Phoenix stays up around 110 as we go into the weekend. Tucson, 108, then eventually dropping down to 102. So hot is hot. That fire risk is real, too, because not only is it hot, but it's also dry. Some isolated severe storms across the northern plains and the East Coast. Still a bit unsettled. Lots of clouds around. Most of the heavier rain will be down through the mid-Atlantic today. That's a look at the weather across the country. Now here's a peek at. And don't forget, you can find us on the radio at Sirius XM Channel 108.
All right, everybody ready to go?
Yeah.
Hey.
Our fingers are crossed.
Savannah and I didn't get the yellow memo today. You guys all
Isn't that funny?
You guys did. Look at
Yellow. Yellow underwear.
But look at Craig. He's diplomatic. He's yellow and blue.
Oh, that's right. What rogue. All right, guys, let's get to
But
Pop
you're
Star
wearing
today.
color, though.
Yeah. So The Greatest is going to premiere on Prime Video on November 4th.
They have always been so protective of his legacy.
Looking forward to it. Next up's Ella at the top.
Wow.
So she's close.
She's going to get that one, I think. Next,
So happy.
I know.
this is such an odd entertainment story.
You remember
Daytime
He
Emmy.
asked for this.
Yes.
This was his dream. This was his dream, and so he got.
You want to get slapped. Like, that's, that's kind of the thing there.
Is he filming something?
It's maybe.
It's got like a Borat sort of feel to it.
Right?
I don't know.
We'll see.
Jay-Z, the Grammy. That's going to be awesome.
Like, I don't know anybody who's not going besides
This is my
me.
fifth time.
Are you going?
No,
Well, Craig is.
Craig, we're looking at you. Your new episode of Glass.
That was just, by the way,
funny.
that's just a little. We're gonna.
Oh no,
Terry
He's a
Bradshaw.
disruptor.
I mean, it was
off the rails.
from the very beginning. Like he talked about all of his wives. It was quite revealing.
He only calls me horse girl because he saw me covering Royal Ascot.
He calls you a horse girl?
Oh my God.
And he's got his own line of bourbon too, which
Not for nothing.
Fit for your show.
The horse girl is better than just horse girl. So I'm glad you qualified that.
Horse girl.
the horse girl.
Let me say, he's not half full or half empty. It's just all the way up.
All the way full.
full.
All the way full.
Full up.
And Craig.
Horse girl. I don't
There
know
you go,
how I feel
guys.
about that. The horse. All right, that's better.
Yes.
You know,
You're the only one.
Not horse face.
we don't want to be described. Yeah.
The
It's like,
horse girl.
you don't want to be described as horsey or handsome. You know, you don't really want to be a handsome woman.
That gets into piggy territory.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm just saying.
Okay. Just ahead, guys.
The horse girl.
The horse.
I did. I changed my outfit.
Dressing room and changed into a blue
You know what? I told her
That's
that
amazing.
on Tuesday we wear yellow.
Yes.
So from now on,
Wait, I didn't know that rule.
no,
It's
oh,
not
no,
a
no,
We're
no.
starting it today.
I promise you guys at home, this was not planned.
No.
I actually wore this in today and then just steamed it out.
Carson, I've got a yellow
Carson.
top if you want to borrow one.
I know. Carson, do you feel left out?
Change
Not really.
I have another yellow dress.
Have you ever?
In yellow.
I don't have it. I
You
don't have
want
it,
to
guys.
borrow these pants?
Do you want me to leave?
We want you to wear yellow tomorrow.
We
That's
love
what we
yellow is
want.
my favorite color. I love it. We have a delicious half hour coming up.
Yeah.
Yes,
Don't
we
we?
do. We got a new go-to summer meal.
Turn into J-Lo and wear like
I
three
always say
different
she's my
outfits.
paper doll.
Okay.
You know,
Like Cher hosting the Oscars.
Right? Exactly.
fun.
All right, you guys, on the fourth hour actor, the name of the show. I didn't say it. And he's been
did you
cast
watch
in the
it?
upcoming season of The White Lotus, so we have a lot to
Is
talk
that on the Albertsons QR code?
Love a callback. Love a
Oh my goodness.
callback.
Plus, we're going to introduce you to the Georgia man.
And when did it become winter?
It's
I
cold.
know. I'm really
freezing.
It was like 100 last week.
Remember like 24 hours
I
ago
know,
when
we
it
were
was
sweating.
so hot? Well, now it's not. And that's your latest forecast.
And then there were two. Oh, no, now
three.
three.
More yellow.
By the way, what's your name again, birthday girl?
Grace,
Grace, where you from?
Columbus, Ohio.
All right.
Grace, happy 60th birthday. You are loved, clearly.
Yes.
Yeah.
In this morning at 5 a.m. I was walking in behind you, so.
They've got Grace t-shirts.
I love that.
I love that.
Really sweet.
All right. I just had the ultimate foodie adventure. Molly Hunter's going to...
I'm sorry.
I mean...
Did you change
That's-
into a yellow tie?
Nothing to see. Your tie went right in your
That's okay. It's yours now.
Totally worth the scramble.
Yeah, I think so. Look at it.
I mean, look
Oh,
at
no,
this.
they're all in yellow.
It makes me feel like we should try to coordinate more often.
On Tuesdays, we yellow.
Yes, all
You
right.
look good in pastels, by the way. You should do it more.
Thanks.
All right, well, catch your breath. This next story is going to make you hungry. Bakeries are popping up all over the UK, and they're fueled by social media.
Well, now people are waiting in long lines to get a taste of the hottest new pastries. Our Molly's and deals. Jill's got steals and deals for the holidays.
Time now for the upside, and oh baby, do we have some special guests.
Oh, we do indeed. The labor.
Who's in the first trimester?
Are you that? Raise your hand if you're having a bull.
Riley and Nurse Brooke.
Here's an odd question, perhaps. With so many of
The baby on my chest. It's just the
Pregnant at the same time. We've got an announcement. There are two.
Bet you want to be in that room, huh?
Oh, yeah.
A lot,
Oh, boy.
lot of emotions going on.
Well, you know, that's some room.
I just love that they have each other. That's got to be the most special part of all of this.
19 at the same time.
Pretty
All right, what's coming up?
Well, She Made It, How an Inspired Made It series. Jill Martin is connecting us with the story behind a popular phone accessory brand that I see everywhere. Good morning, Jill.
I mean, this is it. I mean, this is, she made it and I bought it. Gloss.
Yeah.
So I have, this is my
Your wallet. And
I have that.
I love that.
I'm very excited
the
to get you
outfit of the day.
assorted.
I know.
70s, right?
Yeah.
So then I could wear it out and be organized and not.
And especially when we go to these events, right? And you have to have the...
Coming up. It's vacation season. All right, well, if you haven't booked your summer vacation just yet, fear not, you're in luck. Because this morning...
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here. I mean, before we dig into the actual awards, for folks who don't understand the process, walk us through how you guys do it. How do you arrive at the World's Best?
They make this known in our annual survey, so we've been doing this for...
Well, the people have spoken.
So top of the list for a second year in a row, Santa Fe. It unseated Charleston.
So if you go visit, there's a restaurant, add it to the list.
Light.
Actually sounds lovely.
Yeah.
Okay, next up, Yellowstone. Why is this such a great
Series.
Yes,
There's
yes,
advertisement in and of itself to get to Yellowstone.
What about folks who just enjoy a little R&R? Like they
Right.
just want to go and be...
You can step away and see this historic...
If you got your passport ready, let's go overseas. The island of Sardinia is making its...
Italy is whenever you leave Italy, you want to move there.
I think
Everyone says, I think I'm just going to move to Italy.
Totally.
The last one is actually an airport that you wouldn't mind getting delayed at.
Of course. So
Minneapolis today. I think it's a little different.
In my mind, I'm thinking Newark was probably a close second.
Totally.
Probably right there. Jess, thank you. It's a great Today Show debut.
thanks for having me.
You can check out Travel and Leisure's full list online right now. The August issue hits the stands on July 17th.
And coming up, if that got you in the mood for...
So thanks for hanging out again today.
Thanks for having me.
Tomorrow here on the third...